COVID 19. The whole world suddenly came under the clutch of this pandemic turmoil. Many experienced big losses in terms of jobs, businesses, lives, couldn't meet their loved ones even at the time of need, and many more such instances to quote. But tell me one thing, doesn't it happen with all of us in some or other form, sooner or later? Why blaming COVID 19 only? In fact, if we think deeply, we've learned to survive with limited resources. We've learned to help people around. Our bond with family and friends has got stronger with limited or nil number of meetings. We've also learned to explore ourselves and start doing things which we always wanted to do but couldn't spare any time before. Like for me, spending more time with my kids, restart of my reading habit, a helping husband at home, helping neighbors are few of the good things that I've experienced during these tough days. Like any other person, even I used to get frustrated sometimes because just at the time of restart of my career, everything got stuck suddenly. But then I kept myself motivated with a simple mantra that bad situation may come across any time, and it will come for sure. It is you who has to decide whether to respond positively or negatively. Hello dear friends, I am Sumita Singh, a soft skills trainer. The purpose of sharing this video with you all is to convey a simple message that don't let negative thoughts ruin your inner peace and happiness. Inculcate the habit of utilizing your mind power to transform your inner world towards positivity. A worse situation for many can be an opportunity for some. How? Taking an example from the recent crisis of ethanol shortage, which is a basic element for hand sanitizers, it became very hard to meet the demand due to sudden high consumption during COVID 19. A small NGO named Self Help Group of Women, located in a very small village of Madhya Pradesh, did some research work and came out with a solution that our own field production, Mahua flour, can solve the purpose. With the help of MP tribal women, they started producing hand sanitizers and made it a success. Isn't it amazing? While many were struggling with the dearth of ethanol shortage, they did commendable job by not only meeting the demand but also provided job opportunity for these tribal women. Such attitude is needed to be developed by each one of us, and this is the power of positivity. Stay positive, stay healthy. Thank you for listening.